What happens if we're in a time crunch and need to get an elevator up and running quickly? Sometimes the temptation to use shortcuts like grinding to remove some of the interference fit or heating up the sidebar can compromise the chain's fatigue life and heat treatment. The assembly process using a pin pusher tool is time-consuming and difficult. This often leads to shortcuts that can be detrimental. Our new product, RexPro Engineered Steel Chain, addresses these issues by making assembly safer, faster, and easier, while maintaining the chain's strength and durability. We continue to receive real-world feedback. During a recent maintenance seminar, a team member expressed frustration with their pin pusher tool, saying, "I hate that thing." Another team member shared a near-miss incident involving a chain drop, emphasizing the need for safer and more efficient tools. So we are excited to introduce the next generation of Rex chain, RexPro Engineered Steel Chain. This chain offers safer installation and maintenance, faster assembly, easier connections in the field, and it addresses some common pain points. Maintenance taking too long, the tool for connections being heavy and awkward, and early chain failures, and most importantly, near-miss incidents or injuries. Our commitment is to a safer work environment. We all know someone who does this type of work, and we owe it to them to make their job safer, faster, and easier. Imagine if you could make field connections using only an impact driver. And here's how it works. With the field connection link, one sidebar has pre-pressed threaded pins. You lubricate the pins with the provided grease, lubricate the pin threads and pin shoulder, slide the pin link through the bushing links, position the matching sidebar, marked with a C, onto the pins, lubricate the nut threads and washer flats, place the washers and thread the nuts. Tighten the nuts with an impact driver alternating every rotation, ensuring an even pull until the nuts hit the stop. The benefits are clear. Using an intuitive tool like an impact driver, it's easy to use. Time efficiency. Our beta test showed a new chain installation in 1.5 shifts versus 3 to 4 shifts traditionally. Shop testing showed assembly on the ground at 7 minutes versus 15 minutes, and maintenance at 15 minutes versus 45 minutes. Safety. The tool is lighter and more manageable, reducing exposure in the environment and increasing safety. Performance is identical to standard chain. The new assembly method does not compromise the performance levels expected from Rex chains. It ensures the same fit and at field connections as achieved at our plant, optimizing performance and maximizing uptime. In conclusion, the RexPro Advantage offers a safer, faster, and easier way to install and maintain RexPro engineered steel chains.